Good day everyone and welcome to another DBS News. Now this just in, Cardi B responds to Vybz Kartel on Instagram. Now Vybz Kartel posted a throwback video of Rampin' Shop with the title hashtag TBT hashtag Ram Shop featuring Spice Official. And in it he said, "My is longer than my hashtag Nike. Tell me where you hashtag like. You want me drive or you want me ride it like a hashtag bike?" Now Cardi B responded, "Wait, ... Not longer than my knife? Question sign, question sign, question sign, thinking face." To which Kartel responded, at Cardi B, "No, laughing emoji, laughing emoji. It is Nike."
Me longer than me Nike. Tell me where you lie.
I was this years old when I found out that the song said Nike and not knife. Are you serious? So that means my entire life I've been singing the song with the incorrect lyric? Let me know, people, comments down below. Did you know that Kartel said Nike all along? Did you just find out? How do you feel about this now? Comment down below. That's it for today's news. Sound off in the comments and feel free to subscribe. Peace out.